I found the bloodstains in the yard, beside the altar, a deck of cards. The dice were loaded, it wasn't fair. I found him there, blood on his hands. His brother came, he held a rock, he looked ashamed. His brother's keeper, he held the ace, he had no face. Oh, the Bible and its sacrificial sons, I wrote the ending, but I never saw until the deed was done. I mark the killer, but the poison's in the well. I ask him where he is, but killer cannot tell. The blood upon the ground cries out to me from where poor Abel fell. Atop the mountain, upon the stone, he led a child far from home. I told the father, it takes a life. Then he held the knife into the desert. He sent the slave, she and her baby, the one he made. Oh, Abraham, they did no wrong. Did you feel strong? Oh, the Bible and its sacrificial sons, I wrote the ending, but I never saw until the deed was done. Father of many, but the poison's in the well. I ask him why, but Father Abraham won't tell. Blood in the water of the broken veins of Isaac and Ishmael. It's a vicious game we play, man and I, and it always ends the same. I won't lie, I made the rules and the cards are mine. And win or lose, somebody's gotta die. Crucify him, the crowd demands. I watch as Pilate washes his hands. Only begotten, you cannot run, your time has come. I'd spent creation collecting debts. If not for him, it's on your heads. Upon the altar, I lay the lamb, the great I am. Oh, the Bible and its sacrificial sons, I wrote the ending, then I turned away until the deed was done. Oh, what a father when there's poison in the well. He asked me where I am, but I refuse to tell. Blood for blood, the dead called in, they crucified.